Can I daisy chain LED strip lights to my bathroom exhaust fan and have them work on the same light? I just finished installing a new exhaust fan in my bathroom. I have access to the ceiling before I patch up the old hole where the old fan used to be. A lot of people tend to connect a recessed light to the exhaust fan, but I wanted to know if I could daisy chain an LED strip light so that it could illuminate the side of the walls, as you can see in this photo. Here are the LED lights that I bought. Question from user Adrian at Stack Exchange. Answer: I was able to complete my task by installing a junction box I attached to the joists inside the ceiling above the drywall. It is accessible if I remove the exhaust fan from the ceiling. From this junction box I ran a Romex wire to the medicine cabinet and a similar sized cabinet on the opposite wall that was hung above the toilet to store toiletries, etc. I then cut out in a rectangle-shaped hole to install an outlet inside each of the cabinets. These outlets only had power when the exhaust fan was turned on at the wall switch. I then plugged in an LED light strip kit I purchased online and strategically ran the strip lights along the upper side of the cubby holes that each cabinet had. I also ran a strip of LED lights along the tops of the cabinets which, when turned on, illuminated the wall and ceiling above each cabinet. The cubby holes were also illuminated. This worked perfectly. No flickering or issues. Wish I could provide a photo of how it turned out. But I no longer live in this house. These made a great nightlight effect when you just wanted enough light in the bathroom to see where you're going. Also created a nice relaxing ambience when taking a long hot bath. Answer from user Adrian at Stack Exchange.